When a dragonfly flutters by, you may not realize, but it's the greatest flyer in nature. We can't blame children for occupying themselves with Facebook rather than playing in the mud. Mother Nature has been the best bioengineer in history. All cartoon characters and fables must be exaggeration, caricatures. Whatever is received according to the nature of the recipient. Nature is our eldest mother, she will do no harm. All nature is but art unknown to thee. What is human warfare but just this? An effort to make the laws of God and nature take sides with one party. A desire to resist oppression is implanted in the nature of man. Death, like birth, is a secret of nature.